So we need to this in game no rook king plus rook in game no. This problem is about the how to checkmate with rook no. The combined force of white king. So first we have to making a boundary by rook no, so that the black king cannot escape no. Remove the rook at rook g1. Then the black king cannot is already at the no cannot escape no in already at the edge of the board no. So now black turn to move no. Then white king can be distant opposition no. You need to make a distant opposition. Continue no. So the black has a close position no. Then rook is the move no. By playing rook g4. Then the black king is retreat no. Then continues king white king to opposition no. Now this position white has become careful no, because it might be become stalemate. So we need to move the white king in all the black has two square no, that can move so that avoid the no, avoiding the stalemate. Maybe we move to king g6 or black king has only move no at king g8. Now black king has planning to escape at f8 no, f8 square here. Then we need to move the rook at rook f4 to make a boundary. Then only move the black king retreat again at the king h8 no? Then follows checkmate by rook at rook f8.